Hey there, it's Walter here from FX Jake, and on the Naked Forex Now forum, there's some debate about the hourly scalping strategy and it being used for a higher time frame here, like the 4-hour chart. So what I thought I would do is, that just got me thinking, well, I wonder if it can work. So I'm going to do a little bit of testing here, and I would encourage you to do more if you're interested in this. I'm here on the 4-hour Euro chart, and this is in Forex Tester back in 2005, December 2005. So what I'm going to do is just take a few trades here and see if, in fact, it is profitable. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and do a full test, which to me, a full test would be, you know, a couple hundred trades at least. But I am going to take a few here and just see how it works out. So you'll recall that once we get a candle color change, that means that the market is possibly ready for a move in the opposite direction. So we have more than 2 candles going up, green, and then we have a red one here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my sell stop 10 pips below the close of this candle. The close is at 2017, so it's at 2007. Actually, I think it should be 8 pips. Yeah. So 9. 8 pips lower than the close. Yep. Okay. And I'm going to do one lot here. And I don't know what my stop loss is until it triggers the... Okay, so now I know that my stop loss is above this high here. So I get to modify that. Actually, I want to take 30 pips on these because it's 4 hour instead of 1 hour. So I'm going to go ahead and modify my take profit to be 30 pips. In fact, I think I would have hit it. I think it may have... okay, that's all right. Oh, and my stop goes 10 pips above the high of this candle. There. Okay. Did that take out my stop? Hold on, I mean, did that take out my profit? Should have taken out my profit. Oh, you're kidding. Oh, I didn't put in my take profit. Okay, that's fine. Let me back this up. Okay, so my take profit should have been 30 pips lower. My stop loss is 10 pips above the high of this trigger candle. Okay, cool. So it should have, cashed me out right there. Okay, so that's one winner. Okay, now it's chopping around here. Okay, I've got 2 down candles, so I'm waiting for a green candle so I can buy now. So there it is. So I need to go 8 pips higher than, whoops, stop loss. I don't know where the stop loss is. So my buy stop goes 8 pips higher than the close. My take profit is 30 pips. So there's my order. And it does trigger and it does hit it. And my stop would have been on the other side of this candle, but I actually didn't need it for this trade. So that's 2 trades. And I've got 2 winners. 2 green candles and then 1 red candle. So I put my sell stop 8 pips below this close here. Right there. And then my take profit is 30 pips. We're into a new week now. And now I've got an opposite signal. So I'm going to delete my order and go ahead and put a buy now. A buy stop 8 pips above the close of this candle, right there. And then my take profit is 30 pips. So I'm in. Now my stop loss has to go 10 pips below the low of this candle. So I need to modify that. Modify 10 pips below this candle. So that's 35 pips of risk. Ah, stopped out. Okay. 2 red candles and a nice little kangaroo tail. Let's see if I get a green one. Nope. Nope. Oh. Actually, I had a reversal. I had a reversal signal because I had 2 green candles and then I had a red candle. So I actually had a sell signal here, but I didn't take it. Okay, now that's technically a green candle. So I'll go ahead and put my buy stop 8 pips above that one. and I'm going to put my 30 pip take profit. So let's see how we go. So we're in, and then I go 10 pips below this current candle is my stop loss. That's about 22 pips away. Doesn't look good. That's actually a sell signal too. I'm going to hold this and see what happens. Ah, it cashes out. Okay. Okay, so that would have triggered my sell signal here, but that's okay. Wow, that would have hit it too. All right, now I've got another counter trend signal. Unfortunately, I'm taking the counter trend signals rather than with the down move signals. I'm doing it a little bit weird here, which probably isn't the best way to do it, but it's good to make it difficult on this system to make money, I suppose. And 30 pips of profit right there. So it's in. Ah, my stop loss goes 10 pips below this low here, so let me modify it. New stop loss goes 36 pips down here, right there. Okay, and it does hit the target. Great. Now I'm looking for a red candle to sell, which would be great because we've been moving down lately. And there it is. So my sell stop goes 8 pips below the close here, and my take profit is 30 pips. It does go, and my stop is 10 pips above the high here. 31 pips of risk. Oh, that came so close. I wonder if I should move my stop to break even. I'm in 19 pips of profit. Actually, I am going to do this because I've been in the trade for several hours. These are 4-hour candles, remember. So I'm going to move my stop loss to break even and then just let this sucker ride. It's either going to break even stop or hit my target. It's going to break even stop. Now we actually have a buy signal here. So I'm actually going to put another trade order in here. And that's going to be above 8 pips above here. Which is right about where my break-even stop is. And I'll put my 30 pip target. So you can see I did hit my break-even stop and never hit my first target on that sell. But now I'm in a buy setup. And this is such a tiny candle here. It's one of those weekend candles, I believe. So I'm actually going to move my stop below this candle instead. So I'm going to make a bit of a modification here to the rules. So my new stop loss is going to be 10 pips below this low. The trigger, or the signal candle, not the trigger candle. And we'll see how we go here. Uh-oh. I actually have a sell signal now. I'm going to take this sell signal too. I'm going to put the sell signal here 8 pips below the low. So I actually have 2 setups going here. And then take profit as 30 pips. So my sell signal is now in. Ah, my buy signal is now in profit. Oh. My sell signal needs to have a stop loss, doesn't it? So let's go back to my candles here. Okay, so my sell signal, I need to modify this. And my new stop loss is 10 pips above this candle, so I think it's going to get stopped out here on this next candle. I think it will. Let's see. I'll make this smaller because it kind of gets in the way. Yeah, I get stopped out, but my buy trade that I originally took a while ago is still on. Oh no. Now we're in a ranging market. This is bad. So I get stopped out of both, unfortunately. Very unfortunate. Let me make sure I put on the chart where the first trade was. It was right here. That was not part of this system. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll do 10 trades here. So I'll do 2 more. What I would like to do is like to see the market get out of this consolidation. We're kind of in a box here. So what I'm going to do is just sort of ignore the signals we have now and see if the market will break out of this box. Then okay. Now I'll be looking for some signals, especially if we get a retrace here, a couple of red candles. I'd love to get a buy here. Okay, there's a sell. Now, because this is such a giant red candle, I'm actually not going to take a sell signal here. We're actually back in the box, so I won't. I'd say we haven't broken out yet. There we go. Now we're back in the box again. I want to see the market get out. There we go. We're out of the box now, so I'm going to go ahead and get back into this system. So that is technically a red candle. So I put my sell stop 8 pips below the close, which is right there, and then my 30 pip take profit. And it never triggers. That's okay. Whoops. So now I'm going to delete that, or actually I'll modify that order, and I'll put my sell 8 pips below here, right there. It does trigger, and it goes, my stop goes 10 pips above the high here. So that goes here. Right there. Ooh, it's getting really close. We're 13 pips in profit. Oh, takes it out. Now this would be a brilliant spot for a buy signal because we had such a strong move up. So just a nice little retracement here. I probably could have moved my stop to break even there, but I didn't. Now I'm looking for a nice green candle to give me a buy signal. And there it is. And so now I'm going to put my buy stop above the high here. And my take profit again, 30 pips, just because I'm on the 4-hour charts here. Stop loss goes 10 pips below that low. $26 pips of risk. And I get stopped out, and I actually have another sell signal. So I'm going to go ahead and put my sell stop here below this one. This will be the last trade I take, and then we'll go over and see how we went. Right there. 30 pip take profit. And there it is, off to the races. Wow, that was an unfortunate getting stopped out there, wasn't it? Okay. And it finally did trigger, but it's long, long gone. Really, the sell would have been off this trigger right here. Okay, so let's see how we went. Either way, that one would have made money too. Let's go back here and see. From when did I start? I started on 12/15. Okay, so that would have been, I believe, right here. Yes. Okay, so on these trades, we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades. And of the 11 trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades lost, and then 6 trades won. So my winners, so I made 30, 60, 90, 120. Well, this was a break even. So actually we had 6 winners and 4 losers because we had 1 break even. So it was a 60% win rate in this very small, insignificant test. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. So there's 180 pips worth of profit, and then the losers added up to be 69 plus 129, 134 plus 144, 154, 160. So 160 in losers and 180 in winners in pips, and 1 break even. So it is inconclusive. I think that probably adding different rules to this, like break-even stops, or even some sort of aggressive profit targets, or maybe not taking counter trend trades. Lots of ways of modifying this, but it looks like there may be some promise here. I think the big kicker will be the exit strategy used to get out of these. I think that's going to be the determining factor here. Also, we could adjust the stop. Notice that I used, instead of using a 10 pip target and a 10 pip stop from the trigger candle, I actually used a 10 pip stop. So I kept the stop the same, but I used a more aggressive profit target, a 30 pip target instead of a 10. If you multiply the 1 hour charts by 4, it should have been a 40 pip target rather than a 30. I'm not sure that that would have worked, but that's also something to look at. Also, maybe the stop could be, instead of 10 pips away from the trigger candle, 15. You can see that would have saved me something on this trade right here. Let me zoom in so you can see. On this trade here, right here, you'll recall I had this is the trigger, this is the signal candle, this is the trigger candle, and my stop was 10 pips below the signal candle, and it just barely got stopped out before rocketing up. That would have been a winner had I moved my stop 15 pips away or even 12. So that's also something to think about. Again, this is a very small sample. We need to do this over 200 trades to get any idea of what it would look like. But I think this is something that just sort of maybe will whet your appetite, and it's something that for those people that don't like to trade the 1 hour charts, if you do like the 4 hour charts, this is something that you might want to look at, okay? I wish you very happy trading until the next video, and we'll see you soon. Bye.